Hello, my fellow Kokedama enthusiasts. Today, we're going to create a quick and easy hanger for your Kokedama plants. This simple DIY project will take you just 5 minutes. All you need is some jute twine or macrame twine and a bit of patience. First, let's cut 4 pieces of jute twine. We're going to use 4 strands of 2-meter-long jute twine for this project. Once we have our strands, let's fold them in half to create 8 equal parts. Now, we'll tie a knot together. Next, we'll tie each strand together at the same height to create our hanger. Start by tying a strand at a time, making sure they are evenly spaced. Remember, you only need to tie 8 knots in total since we don't want our Kokedama to hang too low. Once you've tied all 8 knots, it's time to tie all 8 strands together into a single knot. Make sure the strands are evenly tied so the hanger looks neat and tidy. And that's it. You now have a beautiful and functional hanger for your Kokedamas that will make your plants look even more stunning. Remember, you can experiment with different lengths and sharpnesses of the twine to create different effects for your hanger. So go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more creative tips and ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Until next time, happy crafting!